Welcome to this video on advanced thermal management, comparing vapor chambers and graphite heat spreaders. Processors generate high heat, creating hotspots that cause performance throttling. Engineers must rapidly spread this heat away from the source. Vapor chambers use liquid phase change. Heat evaporates the liquid inside a sealed chamber, creating vapor that transports heat away from the hotspots. The vapor then condenses and returns as liquid to repeat the cycle. Vapor chambers spread heat up to 4 times better than traditional materials and offer up to 5 times superior thermal conductivity over graphite sheets. They prevent throttling in high-power devices, but they cost more and require thicker device profiles. Graphite uses solid-state heat conduction, relying entirely on material conduction. Heat travels horizontally along the in-plane sheet, and the system contains no moving liquids. Graphite sheets spread heat evenly, fit easily into ultra-thin, low-power devices, and reduce manufacturing weight and costs. However, graphite struggles with concentrated extreme heat. Vapor chambers handle concentrated peak heat and have 3x to 5x higher thermal conductivity, making them best for high-power CPUs and GPUs. Graphite is better for cost-effective, ultra-thin, and space-constrained low-power devices. The choice depends on device thickness constraints and heat output. Graphite suits low power and thin designs, while vapor chambers are used for maximum peak performance in thicker profiles. Vapor chambers dominate high-performance cooling, while graphite excels in thin, budget-conscious applications. Great engineers master both technologies to select the right solution for any design challenge.